Hi everyone, for today's video, I'm going to share with you the new January release with KSCRAFT. I'll put the link and information in the description box down below. I'll share with you the dies along with the projects that I created. So the first die set is this cute 3D mailbox. It also comes with the envelope and it makes this really nice large mailbox. Hannah does have a video tutorial on how to put this 3D mailbox together, and I'll put that link down below as well. And it's so cute. It's such a great size. It also comes with this cute envelope along with this little note that you can stamp, or you can write a little message in there. And it's so cute and tiny. And then inside, this opens up front and you could fill it in with more envelopes, or you could put some goodies inside. And again, it's a really nice size mailbox. Here I made a card to go along with it, so you can make a cute little mailbox card. And then I just used some Velcro for some closure. You can put, you know, a message, or you could put a photo. It makes a really cute little card. And it just opens like so. And I thought it'd go great if you're going to gift one of these. So whomever you're gifting it to, you can add a card to it as well. So there's that die set. The next one is this cute rainbow bag topper. It comes with a sun, some clouds, and then all these layering pieces, and then the sentiment rainbow. And it makes this cute little bag topper. So cute. And you just add this to a clear bag, and then you can gift, you know, whatever you want in the bag. And it's just really fun to put together. Okay, so there's that one. The next one is this cute bunny rosette. You just die cut two of these out, and you can make a really nice large size bunny rosette. I love the cute little bunny ears. And then I just layered some ephemera, The Good Life. And it's so cute. Okay, there's that one. This is a cute bunny 3D box. Love this one. So I made this cute little bunny. You could fill this bunny with some chocolates, some ephemera, or some embellishments. It's a really good size bunny. So there's that one. Here we have some sentiments, and these are some large ones. So the first one is Girl Gang, and then we have Girls Rule, and then Friends Forever, No Boys Allowed. This one's funny. Stupid Cupid, and then Be My Galentine. So really cute Valentine's themed sentiments. Okay, there's that one. And then there's this cute bunny box that you can create. And here's the one that I made. You could fill this up with some cute little Easter eggs. Would be cute. Or a chocolate bunny would be nice too. Or, you know, some embellishments is cute as well. And then the die also comes with the layering pieces, this cute egg. And then also comes with a cute little carrot. This is another die set that I'll show you. But it also comes with the bow. So lots of pieces in this die set. And it makes a cute box. All right, there's that one. And then we have these cute little carrots, tulips, flowers, little shreds that you could make for your, or confetti that you can make for your shakers. And then little peeps, and then the jelly beans. So cute. So let me see, let me show you. I have in this container, but look how cute these are. And I even made the carrot. I made the top green and then the bottom orange. So cute. And look at all these fun colors. So you can make some cute shreds with this. So that was really fun to do. Okay, so there's that one. And then here we have some banners. So we got the words, let's see, oops. We got the words. All right, everything's sticking together here. Okay, we have Sunday. Got Sunday. We got Chick. And it does also come with this cute little egg and bunny basket and little Peep. What is this? Peers, I think? Oh, Peeps. And then Bunny. And then Easter. So cute. I think I should have put the background white, so it would have probably been easier for me to read it. But those are cute to make. So there's that. And then we have some more sentiments. So we have Happy Easter. And then Hello Bunny. Cottontail. Hippity Hoppity. Some Bunny Loves You. That one's really cute. And then Bunny Kisses and Easter Wishes. So there's that one. And then there's this cute stamp set where you can stamp onto these cute little tags. It's like a little Easter egg. Here we got a little baby chick and the Peep. And it's so cute. So let me see, where did I put mine? Oh, here. So what I did to one of them is I added a little charm dangle to it. And then one of these garment pins. And it's so fun. So here's the Honey Bunny. I love that one. And then here's For You, the cute little chick. And then He Is Risen. And then Happy Easter. So I just added some, what do you call these? Stickers, these foam stickers. Hello Peeps. And then Egg Hunt. So cute. They make such cute tags. And then here's a cute butterfly. It's like a really nice dimensional butterfly. So I made the large one. It does come with a smaller one. But this is what the large one looks like. So you could layer them. Really, I put the top part with some dimensional stickers so it gives a little dimension. But it's a cute butterfly. This one I didn't make. It's for St. Patrick's. I think it goes with the truck. But Hannah has a cute sample using that die set. Here's a cute bunny. I love this bunny. It's a little chocolate bunny. And that's what I used here on the box. So cute. Love that one. This is an add-on to the cabinet die set. So here's mine. So this die set does come with the cabinet, and I'll put that link to that die as well in the description box. But this is the Easter one. Isn't that so cute? I love how that turned out. That's really cute, and I love little chocolate bunnies. So that's a cute add-on. This is a cute little chicken. It's like a shaker. Oh my gosh, he's so cute, watch. Look how cute is he? Oh my god, he's so adorable. I love this. So that one's really cute die set. This is a bunny bow set. You get I think two or three different sizes. So this is a cute little bunny ear. I didn't add the face because there's one that has the face, I believe, on the nose. But I just added this one. Isn't it cute? So there's that. This is a cute shaker bunny. He's so cute. Let me show you that. Here he is. One's really turned out really cute as well. So lots of cute shakers in this set. Here's another bow. This is the shamrock bow. So let me show you. I made a couple of them. So there's two different styles that you can make. So these are the ones that I made. Perfect for St. Patty's Day. And then I love this one. This is an add-on to the gift bag. So it's a cute little lamb and a cute little chick. So here's the baby chick. Isn't it so cute? And then it comes with a cute little fence. And so this is the bag. Hannah's designing these different add-ons that you could add to this cute little bag. And then I'm in love with this little lamb. Isn't he so cute? I love this. Such a cute die set. There's that one. And then here we have this cute bunny stamp set that also comes with sentiments and the dies. And so here are some that I made. So we got Happy Egg Hunt. We have No Bunny Loves You Like I Do. And then we have, what's this? Did some bunnies say Easter? And then we have, here, put this down. So there's those. And then get the other sentiments. Happy Easter. Show me the bunny. That one's cute. And then too hip to hop. And then I believe there's one more sentiment. Oh, bunny kisses. And then these are the stamped ones. And again, it comes with the die. And then I just use my watercolor pencils to fill in, you know, color in the bunny. But isn't it cute? These are so cute, these little bunnies. And you can add these cute little ones to your projects. And it'll be so cute. The face is so adorable. So those are the cute little bunnies. Okay. And then the last one is this flower die set, which is really pretty. So here, I have in this little container. So here's the cute little flowers. And I love how it comes with the leaf. And it's so pretty and tiny. And I love how tiny they are. So that is the new January release with KSCRAFT. And again, I'll put the information in the description box down below. And thank you for watching. Bye.